Hello students, today we are going to see one essay of trigonometry. It is the essay which should be solved by parts rule. What is by parts rule? By parts rule is nothing but LULE. Nothing but UV dx. What are UV? Two numbers they are. Okay. For integration of entire u into v is there, we should write u integration v minus u integration v. Okay, same no? Now keep the bracket, integration for all, and let it be dash. U integration v minus whole integration of u dash integration v. This is the formula. What is meant by dash? What is dash here? Dash is nothing but differentiator. Integration we all know. So here this entire value is u. We don't have v value. So let's multiply with 1. U value is under root of a square minus x square. V value is 1. Okay, u dash means what? We know that formula, d by dx of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. We know the formula. So u dash is nothing but 1 by 2 root x, 2 root x, a square minus x square. A is not single, no, sorry, x is not single, no, it is x square. So differentiation of x square. Differentiation of x square is minus 2x. Okay, minus 2x is the differentiation. So u dash value is what? Minus 2x by 2 a square minus x square. 2 get cancelled, we'll get x by this. In the same way, again what? Integration of v. What is integration of 1 dx? 1 dx nothing but x. Okay. In the place of integration v, just will write x. In the place of u dash, just will write this. Hoping that you have understood the values of u dash and integration v. Now let's start the problem. So the question was a square minus x square, let it be x, into 1 dx of integration. Formula what? See, generally I will be writing like this, it will be easy for me. Okay, like this you also write, it will be easy for you too. Okay, right, it's not working here. Why it's not working, I don't know. Okay, it's working. Now what is u value? U is under root of a square minus x square. Integration v value, what we wrote? Integration v value is x, direct we will write. Integration v value is what? X minus all integration u dash. What was u dash we did? U dash is x by that, x by a square minus x square, plus x or minus x, just we'll see. Yeah, minus x. Minus x. Okay. In the same way, integration v value, what we know? X. Now minus n will go there. Just here we got the value same, no? Minus into minus plus will be x into x is x square by under root a square minus x square. Now this is the answer which is easy. This is some complicated. So just we have to solve this. This should be kept in that way only. So here let's add and subtract a square. Okay, adding and subtracting a square. Why we are adding? We are doing this one. Okay, adding and subtracting a square. Why we are doing? We are doing because in order to get some sine inverse or cos inverse any value. So this can be written as, just we are subtracting a square plus x square by a square minus x square minus a square by a square minus x square. What it mean? Just these two and this one. In this way we have divided. Now a square minus x square I have wrote in the way a square minus x square under root and under root x square, a square minus x square. This and this get cancelled. We'll get a square minus x square, and this the a square under root 1 by a square minus x square. What is the formula? The formula is sine inverse x by a. X is x, a is a, plus c. Yeah, I have forgot to say you that the question is there, that we have to assume it as I. I is equal to under root a square minus x square integration under integration dx. We have to suppose it as, assume as I. Okay, so this is the same. So it is nothing but I plus a square sine inverse x by a. Yes, the question was what? The question was this. We are doing this only, no? So it is equal to I. I is equal to what we got here? Yeah, not there. Yeah, what we got here? We have not wrote this, no? A under root a square minus x square plus in this place the answer what we got, that we have to write. Yeah, I, if there it goes, is become 2i. 2i is equal to what we have there? X into a square minus x square, last we did, plus a square sine inverse x by a. Yes, plus c. Just send this to 2 down. I is equal to 1 by 2x a square minus x square plus 1 by 2 a square sine inverse x by a plus c. So this is the answer. So in this way, by parts rule shall be done. Hoping that you have understood. Thank you.